Hey everyone! Have you heard that dictionaries issue the new edition of new and very trendy words several times a year? Technological change leads to cultural and linguistic change too. But even more interesting are the old words that we use on the net now that have acquired the new meanings, such as cloud or troll or tag. Usually, the original meaning of the word is a metaphor for a new one. Let's have a look at such words. Let's take the word block. Earlier, it meant to be placed in front of the road or path so that people or things could not pass through it. Now, as you know, we use it to prevent somebody from contacting you on a social network such as Twitter, Facebook, or whatever. The word cloud meant a visible mass of particles of condensed vapor suspended in the atmosphere of a planet. Now, as you know, it means any of the part of the internet that allow online storage and processing of documents and data, as well as electronic access to software and other resources. The word to follow meant to go or come after or behind someone or something. Now we use it to subscribe to someone's updates on social media. The verb like meant to be suitable or agreeable to. Now we use it to show our enjoyment of or interest in website content. The word profile meant a presentation of something in outline or a biographical sketch. Now it means personal details, images, social media timeline, etc. that an individual creates and associates with a username or online account. A sandbox actually used to be a box of sand for children to play in. Now it is an environment in which software developers can create and test new content separate from other content in the project. A swipe used to mean a swinging movement of a person's hand or animal's paw, for example. Now it is used in the meaning of the action, and it means to move the fingers across the touch screen. A tablet was a flat piece of stone, clay, or wood with a writing on it. Now it is a general-purpose computer contained in a touchscreen panel. To tag meant to supply with an identifying marker or price. Now we use it to link to someone else's profile in social media post, usually a photo or status update. A troll used to mean a dwarf or a giant in Scandinavian folklore inhabiting caves or hills. Now we know it as a person who sows discord on the internet by starting argument or upsetting people. What do you feel about this technological change? Text me in the comment section below. To tag meant to supply with an identifying. To tag meant to supply with an